Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, a new concept, find length of the tangent. Find length of the tangent. In this video, three problems. Observe the screen. First problem, second problem, third problem. These three problem solutions to solve in this video. In the previous video, we learned the common point of tangent and the circle is called point of contact. Point of contact. First of all, what is the tangent? A line is through the one point on the circle. A line is touches at a point on the circle. That is called tangent. The common point of tangent and circle is called point of contact. Point of contact. And the tangent is said to touch the circle at the common point. Okay. Next one. The point of contact join the center, that is the radius. The radius is perpendicular to the tangent. The radius and tangent perpendicular at the point of contact. At the point of contact. Okay. In this concept used in this problem solutions. First of all, the first question is find the length of the tangent to a circle with center O and radius is 6 centimeters from a point P. That OP is equal to 10 centimeters. In the data, find the length of the tangent and O is the center of the circle. Right, O is the center of the circle. Radius is 6 centimeters from a point P. Such OP is equal to 10 centimeters. Here P is the external point. So OP is equal to 10 centimeters. Find the length of the tangent. Here the point of contact is point of contact is A. Point of contact is A. So find the tangent. Here tangent is the AP or PA is the tangent of the circle. First of all, write the given data. In the data, first of all, radius of the circle R is equal to 6 centimeters. Distance between from center to external point. Distance between from center to external point P. Here OP is equal to given 10 centimeters. Next one, we know that tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Here OA is the radius, AP is the tangent. These two are the perpendicular at the common point of contact A. Okay students, here observe the triangle OAP. OAP is the right angle triangle. Here OAP is the right angle triangle. OA is perpendicular to PA. So apply the Pythagoras theorem. Here OA is perpendicular AP. Okay. In triangle OAP. In triangle OAP. By the Pythagoras theorem. By the Pythagoras theorem. Here OP is the hypotenuse of the triangle. So OP square equal to OA square plus AP square. OA square plus AP square. OP is the data is the given 10 centimeters. So 10 square equal to OA is the radius 6 square plus AP square. So 10 square is equal to 100. 6 square is equal to 36 plus AP square. So plus 36 is transposed to the left side to get 100 minus 36, that is equal to AP square. Next one, 100 minus 36, 64. AP square equal to 64. Square is transposed to the another side. So square is transposed to the other side. So square root of 64. AP is equal to square root of 64. AP is equal to plus 8 centimeter. Here length is always positive. So therefore AP is equal to length of the tangent equal to 8 centimeters. Okay students. So observe the question. In the question, radius of the circle is 6 centimeters. External point distance from the center is 10 centimeters. Find that length of the tangent. Here Let P is the external point, O is the center of the circle, OA is a point on the circle is A. Join OA, OP and AP. AP is the tangent here. So tangent is always perpendicular to the radius at point of contact. So OAP is a right angle triangle. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. OP square equal to OA square plus AP square. Substitute the values. 10 square equal to 6 square plus AP square. 100 equal to 36 plus AP square. Plus 36 is transposed to the another side. 100 minus 36, 64. AP square is equal to 64. AP is equal to root of 64. So plus or minus 8 centimeters. But always length is positive. So AP is equal to length of tangent equal to 8 centimeter. Length of tangent is 8 centimeters. Okay. Next another questions. This is my Telegram link, Satvir Academy SSC. In this group, join to search in the Telegram Satvir Academy SS, or in the link is given in the description. To click on the link, join my group. Okay, students. Next one. Next question. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius is 5 centimeters meet a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ is equal to 13 centimeters. Find the length of PQ. Here a tangent PQ is the tangent point P. Here point P is the on the circle. So radius is 5 centimeters meets a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ is equal to 13 centimeters. Find the length of PQ. Find the length of PQ. So radius is 5 centimeters, right? 5 centimeters, and Q is the external point. OQ is equal to 13 centimeters. Here tangent PQ is the tangent. So same problem. Write the data. Radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. Here OP is equal to 5 centimeters. Distance between from center to external point. Distance between from center to external point OQ is equal to 13 centimeters. We know that tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. So OP is perpendicular to PQ. OP is perpendicular to PQ. Then in triangle OPQ, angle P equal to 90 degrees. So this one is the right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, by the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Here in the P is the perpendicular, angle P is equal to 90 degrees. So opposite side of angle P is the hypotenuse. So OQ is the hypotenuse. So OQ square equal to OP square plus PQ square. Here OQ is the 13 centimeters square. OP square radius. So 5 square plus PQ square. Okay, substitute the values and simplify. 13 square equal to 169. That is equal to 5 square means 25 plus PQ square. Plus 25 is transposed to the another side. 169 minus 25. That is equal to PQ square. PQ square equal to 144. PQ equal to root 144. Root 144 value 12 centimeters. Therefore, length of the tangent is here in this problem 12 centimeters. Okay. So here OP is the radius, OQ is the external point, distance between external point and center of the circle. PQ is the tangent. Okay. Another simple method. Entrance purpose. Here observe the left side corner. Length of the tangent is denoted by T. Capital T is equal to root of D square minus R square. This is the formula, direct formula. Here D means distance between external point to the center. So 13 square. R means radius. So 5 square. root of 169 minus 25, that is equal to 144, that is equal to 12. Okay, this is the easy method to object type purpose or entrance purpose. Okay students, next another problem. Calculate the length of the tangent from a point 15 centimeters away from the center of the circle. Radius is 9 centimeters. Calculate the length of the tangent from a point 15 centimeters away from the center. సెంటర్ నుంచి 15 సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఉందని చెప్తున్నాడు. సో రేడియస్ ఏమో 9 సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఇచ్చిండు. లెట్ O is the center of the circle, P is the external point, a point on the circle is A, radius is 9 centimeters, the distance between center and external point is 15 centimeters. Okay, so same theorem, tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact, so OA is perpendicular AP. Okay, in triangle OAP, angle A 90 degrees, so this one is the right angle triangle. By the Pythagoras theorem, OP square equal to OA square plus AP square. OP square is 9 square, sorry, OP is 15 square, 15 square equal to OA means radius square plus AP means tangent length. Okay, so 15 square equal to 225 minus 9 square equal to 81, transpose to the left side, so minus 81, that is equal to AP square. So AP square equal to 225 minus 81, 144. AP is equal to root of 144, that is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay, AP is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay students, another question. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeters. The length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeters and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeters. Distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. First of all, draw the circle rough diagram. Here, this one is the tangent. This one is the radius. This one is the external point. Okay, from a point Q. So Q is the point. The length of the tangent is 24 centimeters. 24 centimeters. Okay, and the distance Q from the center. So O, Q is the external point. Distance is 25 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle. Here, let the point of contact is P on the circle. Join OP. OP is the radius. We know that OP is perpendicular to PQ. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the point of contact. So OP is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, here PQ is equal to 24 centimeters length of the tangent. OQ is 25 centimeters. Same theorem in triangle OPQ, angle P equal to 90 degrees. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. By the Pythagoras theorem, here OQ is the hypotenuse, so OQ square equal to OP square plus PQ square, sum of squares of other two sides. Here OQ is the 25 square, OP is not given radius square, so OP square, PQ is equal to 24, so 24 square. We know that 25 square equal to 625, that is equal to OP square plus 24 square 576 plus 576 transpose to the left side 625 minus 576, that is equal to OP square. 625 minus 576, that is equal to 49, equal to OP square. OP is equal to root 49, that is equal to 7 centimeters. This one is the length of the radius. Radius is equal to 7 centimeters. Okay. Here observe the easy method to entrance or object type. Same one. T square equal to D square minus R square. Okay. Here T square is equal to length of the tangent 24 square. D square 25 square. Radius is not given. So minus R square is transpose left side. 24 square is transpose right side. Okay. Next one. R square equal to 25 square minus 24 square. Here A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B. So A plus B ante nemo 49. A minus B ante 1. 49 into 1 49. So R is equal to root 49. That is equal to 7 centimeters. Radius is equal to 7 centimeters. This is the entrance purpose. Okay students. Thank you students. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.